As the Omicron COVID variant spreads, health officials set the record straight on how to make sure you're properly protected.
Alexis Carpello spoke with a health expert today on the differences between a real and fake N-95 mask. Alexis, what did you learn?
Well, Eric and Mimi, there's the obvious, like making sure where you purchase the mask is a reputable source. But another thing to check for is the way the mask fits.
Maybe it's time to switch from a cloth mask to something that's a little more filtering.
That's the advice UW Health's interim medical director of infection control is giving. If you decide to upgrade to an N95 or KN95 mask, the CDC warns there's ways to spot counterfeit ones. Look for NIOSH on the mask and make sure it's spelled correctly. Dr. Dan Shirley says also be cautious where you're purchasing masks from.
If you've ever gone on Amazon, online in general, you'll see that there are, hundreds of options of these masks. And obviously it's hard to tell which ones are real or not.
Also, do a fit check of the mask.
If you get a hold of these masks, one of the important things that you can just check because you'll have it on your face is, does it feel tight? I mean, is it creating the right kind of a fit where it's hard to breathe, honestly? I mean, that's not that it's dangerous, but just that it's harder to breathe than not having a mask on. You can kind of blow a little bit and see, does the air just leak right away out, or is it really kind of contained? And that's a kind of a good measure of whether this mask is doing the number one thing we want it to do, which is to fit well.
Dr. Shirley tells me to gauge the setting you'll be in, and if you need to wear a more protective mask.
I think we have gotten used to some of the other masks, like cloth masks and the medical grade kind of masks, surgical masks. And I think, those still have a place. If you are going into a situation where you aren't sure if people are going to mask, or they're not going to mask, and you can't separate, that's when you might consider wearing a higher level mask yourself.
And I'll have more of that checklist of what to look for in this article at mystateline.com. Eric?